CRC 226 is a versatile, plastic-safe, multi-purpose lubricant, penetrant, and corrosion inhibitor. CRC 226 is recommended for use in a wide array of electrical applications. What sets 226 apart from the traditional multi-purpose lubricants used in electrical applications is the fact that 226 is safe to use on plastics while the others are not. CRC 226 will not damage plastics such as ABS, Norol, or Lexan, which are commonly found in electrical equipment. The following demonstration will show the plastic-safe properties of 226 versus the competition. First, CRC 226 is sprayed on the blue balloon. Then WD-40 is sprayed onto the red balloon. After an elapsed time of 30 seconds, the red balloon sprayed with WD-40 pops, and the blue balloon sprayed with CRC 226 remains unaffected because it is plastic safe.